Hi, Max Sheldon here. Welcome back to the shop. We've made some major improvements to the PantoRouter over the years, but often it's those little things that make your operation faster, more accurate, more flexible, and really more fun. The centering hole in the templates and the template holder was a prime example. It's a 2-second operation now to center your template and get it just right. For mortise and tenon, we extended that also to box joints and dovetails. And we can use the same index points for our thickness gauge and table fixtures as well. Another little improvement was the collar set that allows us to find that sweet spot for cutting tenons in flash. And then we use the same wrench that we use for the template, so it makes it a lot more convenient. Our most recent innovation is another small one that helps our customers and us. We've had these dowel templates available for a long time, but they've been made on our CNC machine. They've been perfectly functional, but they've been a major pain to make. Every batch requires 5 tool changes to cut them out, and then we have to finish each piece individually and insert them into the bags with the nuts and screws and all. These templates have been popular, so we finally bit the bullet and made a mold for them to be precisely made just the same as our other templates. We couldn't mount these little templates with a single screw and have a centering hole as well, so we have a different option. Now this is the tiniest ever little innovation, but it works like a champ. There's a little tick mark on the side, and it makes it super fast and easy to line up the template to the center line or draw a line anywhere on the template holder to place the template for perfect repeatability. These new templates are made with the same tapered profile as the mortise and tenon templates, so they're easy to dial in that perfect fit for your dowels or round tenons. Let's say you wanted to use dowels of a contrasting color to both decorate and strengthen a box or a piece of furniture. You could order a section of tropical hardwood dowel and hope that when it arrives that it'll fit the drill size, or you could grab offcuts from your scrap bin and make a few dowels that fit perfectly in the precise horizontally routed holes that you made on the PantoRouter. From the time you think to do this and have a piece of scrap in your hand to the time you glue that dowel is under 5 minutes. And that's for both the round mortise or the hole and the tenon or the dowel. You can use dowels to draw bore a mortise and tenon, or use them to join odd shapes or panels where you want to add some side grain glue surface. We've also found many uses for the templates besides just making dowels. You can use them with a dovetail bit to make drawer pulls or a finial. Use them to align horizontal boring locations. Angles and compound angles are easily secured with the dowels, whether they're free-floating or integral. Generally, the dowel template is used with the same bit and guide bearing combinations as the mortise and tenon templates because the outside profile has the same taper. The exceptions to this are these big 3/4 and 1 inch sizes. With these sizes, the tenon cut is using the 1/2 inch spiral upcut bit, but the mortise or the round hole requires a 2-step process. These 3/4 and 1 inch bits are not made for plunging round holes straight in. They have no center cutting blades or flutes, so they need to be moved side to side to cut a mortise. Since the holes for the dowels are not elongated, you need to bore the center out before you can make that precision cut. The easiest way to do it on the PantoRouter is to bore with a 1/2 inch bit first, and then use the larger bit to make that final precision hole. Another way to do it is to hand drill a roughing hole, since the bit will make your final hole perfect, even if your drill bit hole is just a little bit off. We always start with the mortise, so once we've got your hole bored, you can cut the dowel or the round tenon to fit perfectly. Start with your guide bearing high on the template, and then make your first cut, test fit the part or a representative sample, and then move the guide bearing down the taper on the template until you have that perfect fit. Once you've got the dowels you need cut, it's so fast and fun to make some extras, you might as well. So have some fun with these and let us know how you use yours. We love customer photos and we love to hear your suggestions for the next small thing that might be a game changer for work on the PantoRouter. Happy PantoRouting!